Hey girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, the March sub box reveal. I can't wait to show you. Let's go. Okay guys, here we are. Let's go ahead and take a look at the March sub box. I think a majority of you are going to be very, very excited, of course, for sure. All of you, actually. What am I even saying? So you always get this card that says it's here. I do have mine already kind of out of their packaging a little bit for ease. So let me go ahead and get some of this out without revealing too much, for heaven's sakes. I want to do this one by one, and I like to start with the books, and then we will go from there. So this is the March planner, and I was just very much inspired by a little bit of just the journal. I like to kind of combine them a little bit. You'll kind of see why and what I mean. I also kind of love the flow of books as they enter together sometimes in the planner. Not all the time can it do that, but I kind of look for that. So like when it's all in your planner, and I'm going to show you what I mean once I do the reveal on it. So this is the March one. And isn't it gorgeous? It's a little bit of some mixed media in this one, and the backside is some of my abstract. I liked the colors. I loved where it was going, and I loved all of it. It was just light, spring, and airy. I can't believe it that it'll be March. It'll be spring next month. It's hard to believe that, actually. And yes, here's the girl. Bam! I got so many DMs. Oh, I mean, I can't even tell you how many on who wanted Ariel on a journal, and there she be. Mind you, I thought that they look so gorgeous together. Number one, I pulled the paper from the mixed media from her hair, and I put it in the picture. And I really loved that. The pink in her cheeks, I wanted to put within the pages of the March planner. I did label this Prayer Warrior, because for obvious reasons, because as I discussed, she is the face of the Prayer Warrior. She just, everything about her screams warrior, and so Prayer Warrior Ariel is, and she is the same on the back. And I like doing that with certain ones because then you can enjoy it beautifully on each side. So they just really complement each other, and I wanted that cohesiveness, and I think that I've done it. And so here's your journal to create your new war binder with. Absolutely love it. No matter what you choose to use your journal for, I think you're going to really enjoy Ariel on the cover for sure. And I really hope that you love it. One of the things I kind of wanted to show you was in Poppy, which is where we're at right now. This was last month's box, is that it also flows really well with the February box. And that's kind of where I was like, red even going into some of March is just also gorgeous. And then I was thinking April could be jade for sure, or anyone. I mean, I can't, there's just so many. I'll probably be back. I don't know. I don't know. This actually would go really good in jade as well. But I wanted to show you how well that these four books kind of flow together. They're just really gorgeous, And so anyway, those are the journal and the planner for the March sub box. And then let's just go right to the stickers. For the stickers, before I get into the spring set, or the more the St. Patrick's Day set, I've got a spring themed one. These are the two that you'll get for the stickers, and I want to make sure I had the picture, the lemons, which is totally spring, of course a bluebird, some of my, you know, bestseller flowers, some butterflies, and of course this is also one of our bestsellers, so we had to get the red bird in here. Plus, I don't know if you know this because this was a March box cover before, but this birdie has St. Patrick's, has little clovers down here. You know what I'm saying? Look at how cute that is. So there's that set, and then you get another 2 for, and it says Happy St. Patrick's Day. You've got the prayer warrior, you've got the lion coming in here, and then because last box's spring theme was in like a lion, out like a lamb, so it was, I put those back in there because it's absolutely gorgeous. So those are the stickers for the other 2 set of stickers. So love them. And then they do come in this pack, the tip-ins. So I do have some already unwrapped. And of course, you've got the cute picture. It's just titled Blue Picture. And Hello Spring. So cute. And of course, you've got Prayer Warrior. Again. Had to be done. The lemons. The bluebird. And Out Like a Lamb. How cute is that? Okay, how cute is that? And I really think you're gonna love the washi. I got green, and this one is really hard to kind of see. And I got the lemon. This bird has not been on washi before, and also we've never sold this green. I thought that this was so perfect, and I'm going to actually unroll this tape, okay? Do you see how precious? It's soft and it's beautiful. It's really, really gorgeous. I love it. So that is the red bird in there. Perfect, I felt, for the March box with green. Gave you some green in there for St. Patrick's Day and springtime elements. And guys, I hope that you are excited as much as I am about the March sub box reveal. There you go. Hope you love it. Until next time.